Day 3 of solving Python MCQs. Is Python case sensitive when dealing with identifiers? So, no, yes, machine dependent, none of the mention. तो इसका आंसर होगा yes. Python is case sensitive when dealing with identifiers. So let's see some example, like if you take small x equals to 5 and capital X equals to 10, if you print here small x, if you print here small x, then let's see which output we will get. We get 5 as you can see here, and if you print capital X, now let's see what output we get. So we get 10 here. So Python is case sensitive when dealing with identifiers. Like अगर आप small लोगे तो अलग आइडेंटिफायर होगा और कैपिटल लोगे तो वो अलग आइडेंटिफायर होगा। आप यहाँ पे कुछ भी ले सकते हो अपनी इच्छानुसार।